स्टार्टर आलेला आहे, पण स्टार्टरचे 2 स्क्रूचे किट त्याच्याबरोबर नाही आहेत. अल्टिमेटली युअर व्हेकल can be there for another 50 days. So it is not very a customer driven scenario that time on those days. So my first challenge was to streamline entire activity. So warehouse management was the first key activity I started, to utilizing the space properly, vertical height properly, and within a span of 6 months that activity I started. But one condition I put forward to Mr. Talera that time, sir, I will technically, त्यांनी मला असं म्हटलं होतं की तो हे तर मेस आहे, I don't know how it will run, because Tata Motor has given them the ultimatum. If you will not complete this within a 3 months of time, we will switch over to somebody else, or we will run by ourselves what they are doing in past. मला त्यांनी शब्द वापरला होता की जितेंद्र तू विडा घेणार का मराठीमध्ये, I will take the challenge to do this in 3 months. Sir, I can take this challenge, but against one condition: whatever staff you deputed, you should not ask me to whom I am changing from where to where. I will define the job profiles. I will show you the result. He condition, if you accept this condition, I will accept the job. He said, okay, the full authority to you, you can do what you want. I want result. And with the God grace, with our efforts, and professionally, I started changing the people. ज्याचा आपण म्हणतो की इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये की whoever is strong in that area, he should be at that place only. Otherwise, the person who is not suited for that particular job, and if he is there, then ultimately the result will be negative only. So I placed the proper manpower at proper location. Then again some guys, those were actual ownership, those who take त्यांच्यासाठी different formula माझ्याकडे होता. You know, out of 900 there are almost 700 people of casual laborers. Casual labor are the people, त्यांचे पण problem, they are having different problem. The contractor and organization, the problems was like the salaries is not getting time. The 6,000 rupees whatever they are getting, say on the 6th or 7th, contractor has not giving them the salary till 15th, 20, sometime 22. You know, ultimately when 700 people out of 900 doing picking, packing, binning, these are the name of warehousing activity. And the guys, those who are handling this activity, they are not motivated employees. They are demotivated. त्यांच्या मनामध्ये प्रत्येक वेळेला जाताना सर मला सॅलरी मिळालेली नाही, माझ्या घरी काय प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत. ओके, मे बी यू नो ॲट सर्टन स्टेज when you are a middle class person or you grown up, you don't think about your day to day requirements like eating and all. You know, it is already been done with certain finance. But for these guys, those who earn only 5 or 6,000 rupees in a month, त्यांच्या घरी to get ration पानी first, that is the first requirement, food. वही नहीं तो साला इतना काम करके फायदा क्या? So I told them, this is my responsibility now. I called all the contractors, 6-7 contractors. I fired 2 of them. If you don't want to give salary, now I will replace. I replaced contractor itself. Even though people are same. For new contractor, condition was that on 5th all salaries to be done. Okay. See, ultimately that people's attachment towards me was much better than the contractor. कारण त्यांना माहिती होतं की last 3 years it was happening, and when I started, I am the person who actually for them I was talking to contractor कि ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, आपको पैसा देना पड़ेगा उनको. And that was the change. They started, the guy who was picking say 30 parts in an hour, he started picking say 50-55 parts. Productivity has started with those guys. Ultimately supervisory staff has to follow. So that was the big change in Tata Motors days. Even today I will tell you, all the Tata Motors old guys, they know me as a Jitendra Roshi very well, because they know I did the entire spare part division change within a 7 to 8 months of time, which was not happened.
I think there is obviously a technical component to it, using vertical space, yes, putting process in place. At the end of the day, all these PowerPoints and Excels translate into human beings, sure, and to a certain extent human emotions. I think it's that's where the engine moves really.
Absolutely.
Right? And there is another example of Mr. Joshi's next venture, but in the interest of time, we will actually just mention that his biggest challenge was actually closing, he was not closing the factories, but 3 factories in Netherlands and moving them all of these 3 factories into one plant in Pune for Philips.
Yes.
That was the biggest challenge, and of course it progressively led through his corporate career higher degrees of challenges, which has finally brought him 7 years ago to Abhi Logistics. So you had obviously seen the industry from inside out, and you felt like there was a gap in the market. Could you talk about what was the gap in the market that you saw, and how did you come up with the idea to plug that gap through Abhi?
Okay, before going to Abhi directly, I'll just 2 minutes in that. After Tata Motors, I got first again a big opportunity in the Philips Group. One of my colleagues, Mr. Vilas Rabade, is there, who was Mr. Vilas Rabade, who was actually a marketing head of Philips that time, and I joined there as a supply chain head. I think I was the youngest supply chain head at the age of 28, 29 who entered in the Philips premises, because Philips days most of our heads of that time 50 plus. माझे पण bosses जे काय होते सगळे, they are all 55, 56. The basic challenge, the Philips was going through transitions those days in 2000, 2001. They are trying to sell their factories, they are trying to close their product and outsource. So the passive and active component, the electronics components, they are manufacturing electronic components. Philips has different factories worldwide that time. They decided the passive component market is going down, because if you know now that if you see the mobile revolution from big mobile to smaller size mobile, bigger TVs to smaller TVs with LEDs, LCDs and all. So that time passive component market was going down, but Philips has a passive component factories in Europe. There are 3 major factories, resistors and capacitor factories in Netherlands, Belgium and Portugal. Philips decided to shift those factories from those countries to India in Lodi in Pune, and it was all 100% export oriented division. So they want that in the span of 6 to 8 months entire factory to be shifted here, and those products to be shipped to the global market with Indian manufacturing. Supply chain was the major challenge, and I entered in that time. So that was the first assignment Philips has given to me. The name that time was a BC component of Philips. The next name was the BC component. I took that challenge. I shifted the first factory from Netherlands, obviously with my team. Second factory from Portugal, and third from Belgium. So these 3 factories I shifted to Lodi premises. Then again we started the production. 100% export has been started from our factory. It is that time I think it is the largest air exporter from Pune. We are the largest air exporter from Pune for electronics component business. And one incident I can just tell you in those days. Mr. Rabade is here, and I think he worked long more than me in Philips. When I entered in the premises, again there was a union culture, and we are supposed to shift the companies. The big challenge was that all those guys are of the age of 50, 52, 53. Average age of my team was I think 48, 49. I told my managing director that Mr. Ram Deshpande was a group general manager. I told him, sir, with this sort of team, I can't work, and you don't expect the result. If you want, I need the change. I'm like, what do you want? I want to change. आप उनको voluntary retirement दे दो. If you want, and if you are seeing the bigger picture of shifting the plant from there to here, why? Because a lot of flexibility problem was there. As the old guys, education level was also problem. There are certain guys those who are just a first standard, second standard pass out. Their IQ was a problem. But in those days they carry their career in Philips. Like old factories, पूर्वी म्हणायचं ना की पूर्वीच्या लोकांचं लाईफ खुश होतं. एकदा लागलं की 30 वर्ष बघायचं नाही. आजच्या मुलांना तसं नाहीये. तर I asked them to, I think I need to outsource. I outsourced that entire activity to contract related things, and I think within the span of 1 month my team age was 26, from 48 to 26. I given volunteer retirement to Rabde sir. I think the store was